Chapter 7 of The Kite Runner by Khaled Hosseini is pivotal and haunting, encapsulating themes of friendship, betrayal, and the loss of innocence. This chapter unfolds on the day of the annual kite fighting tournament in Kabul, a significant event for the young protagonist Amir and his loyal friend Hassan. The day begins with Hassan recounting a dream that symbolizes their unity and courage, setting a hopeful tone. As the tournament commences, Amir, with Hassan's unwavering support, skillfully navigates his kite through the competition, eventually emerging victorious. This victory is bittersweet, however, as it leads to one of the novel's most harrowing scenes. Hassan, ever faithful, runs to retrieve the last fallen kite, a trophy for Amir, promising, "For you, 1,000 times over." His dedication underscores the depth of his loyalty and affection for Amir. The triumphant atmosphere quickly dissipates when Hassan encounters Asef, a notorious bully, and his cohorts in an alley. Asef demands the blue kite, but Hassan refuses to surrender it, demonstrating his integrity and loyalty to Amir. This act of defiance triggers a brutal and violent response from Asef, who rapes Hassan. Amir, arriving in time to intervene, finds himself paralyzed by fear. In one of the novel's most defining moments, he chooses to run away, rationalizing his inaction by diminishing Hassan's humanity due to his ethnic Hazara background. This moment of cowardice will haunt Amir for decades, shaping the trajectory of his life and the narrative of the novel. The chapter juxtaposes themes of loyalty and cowardice, innocence and violence, friendship and betrayal. The dreamlike quality of Hassan's initial dream contrasts sharply with the nightmare of the assault. Amir's victory in the kite tournament, a moment that should have been purely joyful, is irrevocably tainted by his subsequent betrayal of Hassan. Hassan's resilience and dignity in the face of brutality contrast with Amir's weakness and moral failing. Despite witnessing the assault, Hassan returns the kite to Amir, a symbol of his unbroken loyalty. Amir's inability to confront Hassan about the incident or acknowledge his own guilt further emphasizes the chasm between their characters. Chapter 7 is a turning point in The Kite Runner, setting into motion the guilt, redemption, and transformation that will define Amir's journey. The events of this chapter underscore the complexity of human relationships and the deep scars left by personal failings and societal injustices. Through Amir's narrative, Hosseini explores the painful consequences of betrayal and the difficult path toward forgiveness and redemption. And as always, if you like this video, make sure to smash that like button and leave a comment down below.